Hey guys, welcome to Achira tutorial part 3. This is my favorite part of the song. It's the antra. I'm going to teach you the choreography. In this, we're going to sit down. Some people may not be able to sit down. They will just stand and do the steps. You don't know, obviously have to sit down if you cannot. So what we did last was the music part, where we finished over here. I think we did 1, 2, 3, 4, look. This was the last part. Now from here, मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत. इसको हम कैसे बताएंगे? How will show? You will take a circular movement of your leg and your hands will open. So your left leg is going round like that and it goes behind and you kind of sit down. Now before I break something, because there's no space, I'm going to take a step forward. So you go round and you sit down. Now when I'm sitting down, I first completely sit down, then I place my hands down. From there, this leg, the right leg which is up, it will shift here and you will come here. I am not getting enough space to do it smoothly, but you don't get stuck the way I just got stuck, okay? And you come to this position, which means from here, you just have to bring this leg down, use your hands, and then you come to this position. And this happens in a flow. Let me come closer and try again. So we were here, from here you went here and stop. Clear? So this is your pose where your left leg is up, your left hand is resting on the leg, the other hand is down. So मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा में आप क्या कर रहे हो? 1, 2 shoulder movement, मौके की नजाकत, pushpak movement over here, and the hand comes close to your cheeks. You look in to look in front, okay? I think, sorry. मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा. You will need that much of time to finish to this position. And then you will do मौके की नजाकत. So this will be मौके की नजाकत. From there, this leg, you will bring it in front like that and you will go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 movements and you travel ahead when you do this. This trackpad is cotton, it's not smooth enough. 1, 2, 3, 4 and you get up to take a step back and do the next step. Okay, we'll try this much with music. Great, I'll show you the movements once again because I'm wearing much comfortable pants. So you go मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा पे आप सामने देखेंगे, जरा मौके की नजाकत. Then you come in front, so you actually get both your legs together. Then you go right, left, get up and go back because you have to go 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. We'll try this with music. One more. Be ready. Now as promised, those who cannot sit, for them. So what they will do is they will go Mere Mehboob. Now take this, the way the person who's sitting down is turning, same way. Mere Mehboob समझिए, one leg is up. समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत. मतलब it looks like you're sitting down because you know you're in a little squat in a plie and your left leg is bent. So you do the same thing, 1, 2 shoulder and here. Now from here what you do is you just take 1, 2 look, okay? When the person who's sitting down is getting both the legs in front, that is the time you go 1, 2 look and you keep your hand out and you just walk in front. So you just go 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? while the person is just, you know, dragging himself on the floor, you are going 1 2 3 4. If you can walk on your toes, that is the best. Lift up your leg and just go 1 2 3 4, and from there the person also gets up, and then you go 1 and 2. So you have to hop. Okay, so you go 1 and 2. Tap your leg first down, hit. So 1, and then you have to jump. So you go 1 and 2, hip hip, 1 and 2, hip hip. Okay, you do this movement twice. 1 and 2 3 4 5 and 6 7 8. Then you go 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and here the hip movement goes 1 2 3 4 out. Okay, 1 2 3 4 out. Then you will take a turn and you will go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Legs, you're just doing like this, and you take your hand in, take it up. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Center up, center down, center up, center down. Oh my god, this watch is the most annoying. Okay, and at the same time the head also moves. So you go 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So let's revise all the steps. 5. Let's take it from here. मेरी महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत. Coming in front to go 1 2 3 4 up. मेरी महबूब समझिए, मेरे महबूब पे आपको you have to start the movement. Okay, so मेरे you get up. मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत के खरीदी नहीं जा सकती हंसी. तो हंसी तक you finish, and then you show your face like this and no. Okay, so like this and here. Okay, now we'll try with music. Be ready. So the line is repeating. So where are we? We are here. Now from here, you have to take your left leg out. Let me take a step back. We are here. Left leg will go 1, and then you will go 2 down. 1. If you have flexibility, then don't bend your leg. Like don't bend your knee. Straight down. Now you slide up, up, look. From here you go 1 2 hip. Then you melt down. From you like touch your face, and then you just pose. Okay, so the counts are 1 2 3 4. Look, hip hip, down and look. With music.
हसीनों की इतना भी नहीं खोखले, वादों पे कीजिए आज की रात.
Okay, what did I break? Wow, something is broken. Okay. Now what you have to do is, after you have done this part, you are here. From there, Naz itna bhi. So you get up and Naz. मतलब आपको वो pride दिखाना है. You have to show the pride. So from here, you get up with one eyebrow up, and then you walk over the right shoulder because it's easy. So you just walk back. Walk, 2 step, turn. And where she's stretching the bowl, like in a alap, that part you will go front and like this. Okay, just walking it. Meri ja ko she's stretching, so that 1 2 3 4 stretch. From there, Naz it hip, 2 3 hip, traveling forward. नाज इतना भी नहीं खोखले, वादों पे कीजिए, वादों पे. थोड़ा सा chest movement कीजिए, and then you turn to repeat the signature step. But let's just do this part in a flow.
सकती हसीनों की जान, सकती हसीनों की इजाजत के खरीदे नहीं जा सकती, हसीनों की इजाजत. नाज इतना मेरी जान, नाज इतना भी नहीं खोखले, वादों पे कीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों.
This part we all know very well, the signature part, but still we'll practice it once. After you turn, there's a little pause, and then you will go wave to go 1 2 3 4. Okay, this hip has to go downwards. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Left hand is up. Now what I'm doing is I'm using my right leg only in front. Left leg is behind. I taught you like this. Yeah, but I prefer doing this now. So I'm gonna do 1 2 3 4, and then 1 2 3 4. Okay, you bend down hip, bend hip. 1 2 3 4. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and repeat. So this happens twice.
नाज इतना भी नहीं खोखले, वादों पे कीजिए आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए, आज की रात मजा हुस्न का आँखों से लीजिए.
And that's the end. Again, Janki Kurbani stars. You don't need to do that. It's quite boring. And I will share the edit of this song where it ends here. So you can just give a last pose after you've done this step. You can just turn and whatever pose you want to do. Okay, great. So we'll do the whole thing again.
मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत, मेरे महबूब समझिए जरा मौके की नजाकत के खरीदी नहीं जा सकती, यादों पे कीजिए